What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I like today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-106485-4. There may be a problem reading the system software or data. So it's a system software update error or corrupted file update. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go to the settings, and then you just get back and check the update application, or maybe a problem with the system software or data reading, and if is it updated, and then you go to the storage. Must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to load the application, or your system software is not going to download it. Check the system software also up to date or not. If it needs to update, you can update with the USB and internet. Here you must check in installation automatically, and then in the last you just turn off your PlayStation 5 the PlayStation 5, and then there's a rebuild database in the safe mode. You must go to the safe mode first, and there's a rebuild database to installation system software, and you just rebuild the database. After rebuilding, database corrupted file will be deleted, and your system software updates will install, and that's how that simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.